Hello everyone, I'm Lee Pacchia and this is the Bloomberg Law Bankruptcy Review. I'm joined now by Bloomberg News editor-at-large Bill Rochelle. As always, you can check out his daily bankruptcy column available on BloombergLaw.com, and it's also on the Bloomberg Terminal. We have three items that we're going to run through for you today. We're going to start off by taking a look at the DBSD case. It looks like there is a new plan in the works and a big deal at the end of the day. What's going on there, Bill?
You bet. I mean, this case stands for the proposition that in bankruptcy, it's much more important to be lucky than to be smart.
Sure.
Originally, they were smart because they convinced the bankruptcy judge to cram down a plan on Dish Networks and also Sprint. Went up to the Court of Appeals. Guess what? Reversed. Court said shouldn't have been done. Shouldn't have crammed down on Sprint. So lo and behold, while they're scrambling around to try to get a new plan pushed through, Dish makes an offer to buy the company for about $1 billion in round numbers.
Now they're a satellite operator.
They are meant for people who can't, in remote areas, who can't receive traditional cell phone reception. So Dish is going to pay off in full the 7.5% senior notes, and there will be about $23 million set aside for unsecured creditors.
Some good news. We also have two new filings to report, both pretty sizable. First one is AES Power.
Yes, this is really interesting bankruptcy issues to be involved there. It is a power plant, a coal-fired power plant in Connecticut. There isn't much in the way of debt. It looks to me like it's going to be a fight with the two people who are the customers, namely Connecticut Power and Light and Smurfit Stone, that uses the steam that the plant produces. This could turn out to make some interesting law.
All right. And finally, we have a major filing coming in. CNL Hotels has filed $2 billion both on the assets and liability sides. Not a small case.
No, it's not. This is 5 big major hotels, for instance, the Biltmore out in Arizona and the Doral in Miami. These were originally purchased by Morgan Stanley at the top of the market in 2007. Paulson was...
Right, they paid $4 billion for it.
Yeah, $4 billion. Oof, a lot of money. Paulson was a mezzanine lender. They foreclosed the ownership, and now the Paulson people this week put the hotels into Chapter 11 because ahead of them is about $1.5 billion of debt that they want to try to deal with using Chapter 11.
Now, this isn't a pre-pack. This is a free-fall bankruptcy. How do you expect it to play out?
Well, it's going to be hard to know because that debt ahead of them is securitized, and that's sort of like herding cats.
Right. It's complicated,
because
to say the least.
You don't even know who it is that you really need to negotiate.
Right. All right. Well, very interesting. We'll have to see how those cases go. If you'd like to learn more about the issues we just discussed, go check out both our daily podcast and Bill's column. Both are available on BloombergLaw.com, and they're on the Bloomberg Terminal. I'm Lee Pacchia. Thanks for watching.